Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share my small refrigerator organization. I want to mention that every organizer I will be using was bought from the store at home, and I will try to link everything in the description box below. Well, as you can see, my refrigerator needs a ton of work. So if you're interested in seeing how I transform my fridge, stick around and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you. And we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. We are green under the sun, we do our best to hide. Innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be.
And just a quick tip, whenever you have some stuck on goo, you can always wet a sponge with warm water and press and slowly rub the goo with the sponge. After that, it should loosen up the paper to make taking it off a lot easier.
Take me away. Green under the sun, we do our best to hide. Innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. Cross the borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be as real as this. The flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away.
So I do want to mention that what I'm doing here, I'm taking out all of the withered spinach, and I am going to toss those away. The ones that look great enough to eat, I will be freezing them for smoothies, etc. And then right now I am taking all my carrots and trying to minimize the amount of bags I have in my refrigerator by combining them into one Ziploc bag.
Know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget. No. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, 'cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. 'Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
I definitely want to say that looking back over this video, I was completely all over the place, but I do want to show you all how my brain is processing organization. I can never just stay in one spot when it comes to organizing, so please forgive me if it's a bit confusing. But let me know in the comments down below, when you're organizing or cleaning, do you wait until one area is finished to move on to the next, or do you do multiple areas at the same time like me?
Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon. Opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me. Got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do. When nothing, no one ever comes close to you. Close to you. For the longest time, I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time, I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you. But I know it's true that nothing, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. No, nothing, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. In a million.
All right, y'all, so this is the final product. And as you can see, it is completely opposite to what was done in the video. I realized as soon as I was done, those clear bins were too big for the bottom and my door wouldn't even close halfway. So I ended up just moving them to the top, and what was on the top, I moved them to the bottom. And I'm still pretty satisfied with how it turned out, although I definitely think it would have looked a little better on the bottom. Anyway, so I used these bins to store water bottles, bigger bottles and little bottles for the girls. I used the middle one for my sparkling waters and sodas if we have any, and I used the top one for open fruit. Down here, I ended up using this for cheese, and I kind of made this like a quesadilla sandwich compartment because I have lunch meat, bread, and tortillas, and then also my egg container. Now, moving on to the side of my refrigerator door, down here I just have the standard ketchup and barbecue sauce. I also added some salsa, pickles, and some salad dressings, just the standard condiment drawer. Up here I have some pasta sauce, two types of pasta sauce actually, and I also have some garlic spread as well as just some minced garlic. On the side of these, I do have a jar of jelly, and moving to the top, I decided to just use this little compartment for refrigerated medicines. And so down here, I ended up just compartmentalizing all of my veggies by putting them in Ziploc bags, like my carrots and bell peppers and my spinach. But unfortunately, my camera died while filming. But this is the final project, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. If you can remember in the beginning, my refrigerator was a disgrace, and I'm super glad at how it turned out. Please stick around for more cleaning, organizational, lifestyle videos by hitting that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and leave that comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.